My latest project, a logging truck. It's the logging trailer. I built this as a child. I decided to put it on a Peterbilt tractor. I bought the wrecker. I made that into the tractor. Okay. It does come with the cargo, like a lot of these trucks do. It's got the beam and the logs. That's the beam. Haven't painted it yet. And these are the logs. I've not put them together yet. They're not very long, not quite long enough. They should be. So I just put this cargo on here just to make it more interesting. So we could take the, put it on there. It is a departure from my Caterpillar Yellow fleet. It's an older model. I guess they still got the molds for it. And it's a re-release. There you go. The let's see, the extension right here, it's adjustable. You got to put it together. You got the parts to put it together. I decided to use one long piece of styrene instead. So there you go. In case you're wondering, I glue the hood shut to keep it in place. I don't display the engines very good, and I can't get the hoods to stay in one place. So there you go. That's a model. Okay, that brand is Tyrell. You see that there? That's actually a company from Blade Runner. It's a fictitious company. I thought I'd put it on there. And here you go. That's a logging truck.